Welcome to One Forex, the world of the Forex market. The foreign exchange market, also known as Forex, FX or currency trading market, is the biggest financial market in the world. It is a place where participants can buy, sell and exchange currencies. Trillions of dollars are being traded every day. Starting from Sydney, Australia, moving around the globe to Tokyo, Singapore, Frankfurt, London and New York. The Forex market works 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. Forex is a unique market with no central place, where money is traded through a network of banks and brokers. This network helps businesses and people with their day-to-day currency transactions. Every time a company wants to purchase foreign goods, it needs to exchange the local currency into a foreign one. When you plan to take a holiday and travel to another country, you will also need to exchange your local money into the currency of your destination. Except those transactions based on the needs of a business or a person, one big part of the Forex market volume comes from speculation. Millions of people, investment companies and funds participate in the Forex market because of the huge opportunity it provides for making money. Buying or selling one currency against another can bring profit if the currency pair moves in your desired direction. For example, if you think the euro will become more expensive compared to the US dollar, then you can buy euros against dollars, or EUR USD. If you are right and the euro US dollar goes up, you will make money. If it goes down, you will lose money. To protect yourself from the losing part and to benefit the most from this huge opportunity, you need proper education. At One Forex, we understand what a Forex trader needs, and we've designed a special Forex training program. There, you'll find all you need to become a real Forex trader.